Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna tell about my father. So without further ado, let's get started. My father's name is MD Jahangir Alam. My father is my real hero. He is a computer engineer. He loves me a lot. Whatever I want, he gives me that. He teaches me computing, science and maths. My daddy always wants to make me happy and he always plays with me. I'm very lucky to have a daddy like him, and my daddy is really kind and helpful for me, and he helps others too. Like and subscribe if you like your daddy too. Bye bye.